Something else I noticed, and I'm replacing. This is the governor pushrod or actuator arm. The one on top here is the old one, of course. Now look at how much slop is in the top one compared to the new one. Now they're lined up, even. Now, yeah, and even the brand new one has a little bit of slop in it, which is normal. But the worse it gets in this joint right here, you'll start to hear vibration in the engine. On a two-stroke, they vibrate loud enough as it is. But this here, let me put this. This slop right here, it's gotten pretty bad on this bike compared to a brand new one. And you can see it when you look up close. The amount of wear, if I can hold on to this. The amount of wear in that joint right there is pretty significant. All that wobble, look at that. It should have a little bit, you can feel it in the brand new one. Should have a little bit of play in it, but not that much. So, yeah, it's not going to make the bike run any worse or better. But if you hear a lot of excessive vibration out of your YZ, that could be where it's coming from. The governor or the power valve actuator. This comes in, in the outer clutch half. Runs right across here. And then your governor is mounted right inside there. Anyway, that's something I've never bothered to replace on any bike I've had. And just thought I would pass on that info. Something to, it wasn't all that expensive. I mean, it wasn't insanely expensive. So, just take a feel of yours. If it feels really, really sloppy, time to swap her out. Just add it to the list of stuff that you have to do once your bike gets up in age. Anyway, that's that. Check out our other videos. We always got stuff going on. You'll have a good evening. See ya.